How many apples do we see?
One,
One. And now?
two,
Two. And now?
three,
Three. And now? Whoops.
four,
Four. Yeah. And
five,
five. And
6,
six. And
7,
seven. And
8,
eight. And
9,
nine. And
10.
10. Now, so here's the cool thing. This is going to be interesting. So after 10, we can do a new way of counting up from 10. We can go to here we go. Okay. Just we're going to start kind of like from 10 and go up again starting from 1. So this is 10 1. Do you like that? Does that sound nice? Okay, and then what would come after 10 1?
12,
Or 10 2?
10 2.
Can we say that? Okay, and then
10, 3,
10 3, and then
10, 4,
10 4, and then
10, 5,
10 5, and then
10, 6,
10 6,
10, 7,
10 7,
10, 8,
10 8,
10, 9,
10 9, and now check this out. 2 10.
2, 10.
What? All right, so that's that. So what do you think? What do you guys think? Does that make sense? Is that easy?
That's easy.
Yeah.
It's like super easy, right?
Yeah, that's easier for.
It's easier. So now tell me, why do you just? I think it's easier too, but why? If you were explaining it to somebody else, why would it be easier? Like, if you're
Because you don't have to sound out the specific
it's not as many words, not as many things to sound.
yeah, not as many prefixes and suffixes.
Ah, I like that.
That's like 10 plus 1.
It's totally 10 plus 1, right? And when we say like 110, we already know what that means, like 110, right? Okay, so let's do it again, but this time we'll go a little higher. You want to try it? You want to try going higher?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay, so let's just start. What's this? 1.
1,
Oops. And
2,
2. And
3,
3. And
4,
4. And
5,
5. And
6,
6. And
7,
7. And
8,
8. And
9,
9. And
10.
10. All right, and now we're going up. 10 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you say it to me.
10, 1,
10 1. And
10, 2,
10 2.
10, 3,
10 3.
10, 4,
10 4.
10, 5,
10 5.
10, 6,
10 6.
10, 7,
10 7.
10, 8,
10 8.
10, 9,
10 9.
2, 10.
2 10. I didn't even have to tell you. Now, do you want to guess what the next one is?
2, 10, 1.
2 10 1. Now, can you read? Did you read it at the bottom, or did you just guess?
I just read
You read it? Okay, so what's next?
2, 10,
2 10 2.
2, 10,
2 10 3.
2, 10, 4,
2 10 4.
2, 10, 5,
2 10 5.
2, 10,
2 10 6.
2, 10, 7,
2 10 7.
2, 10, 8,
2 10 8.
2, 10, 9,
2 10 9. And guess what's next? Just guess.
3, 10,
Yes!
310.
310. You got it. Awesome. 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 I got another one. You guys are okay. You guys are like flying through this. All right. I just made this one today. So let's see how this one goes. All right. Just you can go as fast as you want because I can go too. So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Yes, 11 is right, but this time we're just doing it a different way. Different. So what do we call it? 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, 10 4, 10 5, 10 6, 10 7. You're not even looking, you know it. 10 8, 10 9, 2 10. Now 2 10 1. Look at that. 2 10 2. 2 10 3. 2 10 4. 2 10 5. 2 10 6. 2 10 7. 2 10 8. 2 10 9. 3 10. Now I'm not gonna do it until you tell me. You tell me first what the next one is, and then I'll show you the next one. I bet you know what the next one is.
410.
Oh, that's 10 more than 310.
Yeah.
What's one more than 310?
310.
310 1.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's it. 310 1. Now I'm gonna wait for you. You tell me, and then I'll show the next apple. What's the next one? 310 2. 310 3.
310 4.
310 4.
310 5.
310 5.
310 6.
310 6.
310 7.
310 7.
310 8.
310 8.
310 9.
310 9.
310 10.
What comes after 310 9?
Wait. 410 9.
410.
410.
Yep. And now what's next after 410?
410 1.
Yeah. That's it.
2.
410 2.
410 3.
410 3.
410 4.
410 4.
410 5.
410 5.
410 6.
410 6.
410 7.
410 7.
410 8.
410 8.
410 9.
410 9.
510.
Whoa! You got it! Look at that! Well done, well done. See, I didn't even make all the other ones yet, because I had no idea we would get this far. We totally did all the material. That's awesome.
Makes sense, doesn't it? 5 10. 5 times 10.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Makes so much sense.
I think that's a neat way of counting. I like it.
Wow. I'm so impressed. I'm so glad. This was really cool. Now, if you were going to teach it to other kids, how would you teach it to other kids? How would you teach?
Just
Like, would they have to learn 11 and 12 and stuff?
yeah, like
But just to use it this way, would they have to learn 11 and 12 or no? This way do we use it? 11, 12?
no, then
We don't use 11 in this one, right? You only need to know 1 through 9 and then 10, right?
Yeah.
It's so easy this way. So what if I want to teach my son? Could you tell me how to teach my son this thing?
Mm,
You want to go? Do you want to try to go backwards, you guys? You want to count backwards?
oh, yeah.
Okay, let's try going backwards. Let's start at 5, 10, and now what's gonna be the next one down?
5,
One less.
4, 4, 10, 9,
4, 10, 9.
4, 10, 8,
4, 10, 8.
4, 10, 7,
4, 10, 7.
4, 10, 6,
4, 10, 6.
4, 10, 5,
4, 10, 5.
4, 10, 4,
4, 10, 4.
4, 10, 3,
4, 10, 3.
4, 10, 2,
4, 10, 2.
4, 10, 1,
4, 10, 1. 4, 10, 1. Take away 1.
4, 40,
4, 10.
10, 4, 10,
4, 10. And now
3, 10, 9,
3, 10, 9.
3, 10, 8,
3, 10, 8.
3, 10, 7,
3, 10, 7.
3, 10, 6,
3, 10, 6.
3, 10, 5,
3, 10, 5.
3, 10, 4,
3, 10, 4.
3, 10, 3,
3, 10, 3.
3, 10, 2,
3, 10, 2.
3, 10, 1,
3, 10, 1. And what's next?
3, 10,
3, 10.
2, 10, 9,
2, 10, 9. Whoa, good. 2, 10, 8.
2, 10, 7,
2, 10, 7.
2, 10, 6,
2, 10, 6.
2, 10, 5,
2, 10, 5.
2, 10, 2, 10, 4,
2, 10, 4.
2, 10, 3,
2, 10, 3.
2, 10, 2, 10, 2,
2, 10, 2.
2, 10, 1,
2, 10, 1.
2, 10,
2, 10. Yes. And now
1, 1, 10,
1, 10, but we just call it 10, right? So we just call it 10, 9.
10, 9,
Mm-hmm. It's the same as 1, 10 though. So what's after? What's 1 less than 10, 9?
10, 8,
10, 8.
10, 7,
10, 7.
10, 6,
10, 6.
10, 5,
10, 5.
10, 4,
10, 4.
10, 3,
10, 3.
10, 2,
10, 2.
10, 1,
10, 1.
10,
10.
9,
9.
8,
8.
7,
7.
6,
6.
5,
5.
4,
4.
3,
3.
2,
2.
1.
1. Blast off. Good job. High five. High five, you guys. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Airplane.
Hey, thank you. Yeah, thank you, guys. Wow. Cool. That was really cool. What do you normally count up to, Elsa? How high can you normally count?
She can normally count.
What are you doing right now in school?
Probably
You're trying to 100, right? Usually?
100.
You could count to 100?
I can count to what I mean, like I
Can
can
you
count
count
to
to
100.
You count to 100? Do the other number words. count the other ones. You know, the normal ones that you learn in school. Can you count those up to me from just one, and let's just go as high as you can count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Nice. Yeah, you got this. Look at that. And what grade are you in, Elsa?
I am in kindergarten.
You're in kindergarten. So in kindergarten, you learn to count all the way up to 100, right?
Yeah.
Does everybody know in your class how to count all the way up to 100?
I think.
Think so?
Yeah.
They're all doing good?
I don't know.
That's true. Who knows?